make this cocktail, you will need 60 ml of bourbon. I'm using Bulleit for the high rye content. 30 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 15 ml of sugar syrup. 2 dashes of orange bitters. Around 15 ml of egg white. An orange twist. And a cherry if you feel like it. You will also need a jigger, a shaker tin, a hawthorn strainer, a fine strainer, a rocks glass, and some good ice. Add your bitters, lemon, sugar, and bourbon to your shaker tin. If you're using egg white, then add that here as well. I'm going to use the dry shake method, so hold the ice for the time being. And for a discussion of the relative merits of shaking techniques for egg white, then have a look at the link to the masterclass below. Shake hard until you have a nice froth. And then add some ice and shake hard again, this time until it's cold. It's important to double strain this one, otherwise the little ice chips will ruin your foam. Give your twist a good squeeze over the top, and that'll also burst any little air bubbles that you have in your egg white foam. And add your twist and a cherry. The whiskey sour. So now you know.